Hello everyone, my name is Aman Raj Gupta, serial number 22 and slot C1TC1. This is my DA1 which is based on Atmega 168 microcontroller whose vendor is Atmel. Link for the datasheet is being provided in the description. Move as you can go through my DA1. There are 10 questions which have been answered using several block diagrams which I will show you how I draw that in draw.io. And this is the datasheet in way of Atmega 168. As you can see, it's a high temperature automotive microcontroller and it's based on RISC architecture, and it is and there is three timer as well as counter which is based on 8-bit as well as 16-bit. The The program memory is 16K, that is based on flash, while other two memories, RAM and EEPROM, contains 1K and 512 bits respectively, with data retention capacity around 20 years. Only few controllers incorporate all three communication protocols are there, that is SPI, I2C and USR, and Atmega 168 is one of them. These protocols are widely used for setting up communication with external devices. Now, there are several instruction sets which I am going to show which are being used here. Total 126 instruction sets is being used. The five different set mode for this is direct, indirect, and displacement. Indirect with pre-discrement, and indirect with post-increment. And there are 120. How there are 126 instruction set in total, and 28 logical units has been used in this. As you can see, add, and the clock which is being used is 1, and the highest for use is in the logical unit is for multiplication. And this is the block architecture of the microcontroller. This is a basic mm, block diagram for this. The bus interface. Let me tell you, there are several flags as you can see. I'm going through my DA actually. The rest summary. Okay, moving on to its application and advantages. As it is inexpensive, open source in hardware, don't need to externally program. Open source in software also. It can be also used with Arduino. It's and you can I can show you means one of the applications also. It's a garage door features which is using Atmega 168, and it's widely used in student projects, used in industry automation also, and home security system for design of quadcopters which we usually make. And moving on to the block diagrams, I have used a draw.io website. Let's move on that. As you can see, it's a draw.io website I'm using for making my block diagram for DA1. There, and you can see here is my account Aman Raj Gupta, and there are several block diagram I have made for this uh, DA1. Let me make some changes. Also, I'm increasing the size of the letter so that it should be clearly visible. It's a UART block diagram. As you can see also there are several TX and RX control parity generators. We have learned in class also. Data bus, clock generator is a transmitter side and it's a receiver side and it's a clock. Now it's look better. Mm. That's all you can see that it's a UART in a simple way. It's a control unit, ALU, data memory, bus interconnection, several devices are used, device 1, device 2, VCC, and it's a ADC, analog to digital converter, it's a clock unit. EVR clock unit is ADC, CPU core, RAM, EEPROM, external clock, crystal oscillator, all are multiplexed with a single source clock. Sorry. And that's all for this. Thank you. That's all for my DA1.